HP DesignJet T210. 7th on our list is HP DesignJet T210. HP has its root in every type of electronic device related to computer machines. The DesignJet T210 is a plotter printer from HP that has made its mark among the best 13x19 sublimation printers. The DesignJet T210 can print outstanding graphics, precise designs, exact line quality, fine fonts, posters, and maps. It can also handle a variety of media types and has media handling functions such as a sheet feeder, rolls feeder, and a horizontal cutter. This is extremely practical and long-lasting, and the color touchscreen is simple to operate and can print numerous media with only one click. It features RAM, which has a memory capacity of 500 MB. Therefore, it may be used as a plotter. Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and USB connections are also included as special features for connectivity. Also, for extra creativity and convenience, users can download the HP Smart Panel app. When it comes to speed, this printer can print 13x 19-inch material in 4 to 5 seconds per page. It also sacrifices graphic and typographic quality while producing stunning but restricted color prints. Furthermore, it is energy efficient, using 95% fewer inks than conventional plotters. Although the printer comes with a cartridge set, sublimation inks must be bought individually for sublimation printing. Continuing on to the design, this will give your office a terrific look. Furthermore, a 1-year hardware guarantee ensures its long-term viability. Finally, it comes with a variety of printing applications, including HP Print Preview for Windows, HP Click Once per Printing, HP Smart App for easy printing, and others for easy printer setup. Don't forget to check out this printer by the link given in the description.